Hello, my Librans. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of April 2026 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vivra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10. No. Let's have an overall energy check. Okay, let's see what is this month trying to bring in. Let's keep it short, crisp. Angels and spirit guides, you guys have been so receptive. Thank you. If you wish to follow my Instagram or Facebook page, please follow me on Vivra to Live. And if you wish to book a personalized reading, kindly DM me and we can take things further ahead. So let's see what is this month bringing for you. Anything else? No. So the theme says past life. Everything related to your karmic connection seem to be resurfacing. Your ancestors are blessing you, but again, there are emotions. Okay, so this is like a sand clock, which is trying to say everything will be revealed at the given time. Have faith. Don't get scared. Maybe you are just worried, is what the universe is trying to say. That is a theme month. Okay, so just go ahead. Now let's try and find out what are the other energies trying to tell you. We have consciousness, slowing down, burden, stress, rebirth, going with the flow, and beyond illusion. I don't know why these two cards have been like the stalker cards, beyond illusion, for a lot many signs. Anyways, let's begin. So you need to stick to the reality. Maybe you do not have the clarity. Why? Because you have been betrayed somewhere in the past. Maybe you have still not healed. Okay, a part of you has healed, but still there are some fragments that are still stuck. That's the reason the theme is trying to say, please face your fears. Money matters. Lady Luck is shining. You will have immense money flow coming in, so do not worry. Remember, your communication is something that you should be paying attention to. You should be using your logical brains and follow your gut feeling. Two aces, new beginnings, happy days are there. Emotionally, you guys can be happy, but there is a lot of stress coming up. Maybe you're not ready to say a no, and this is exactly what universe is trying to say. Learn to say a no to people. Do not take things for granted. Maybe you are doing that. Maybe because you're not having a clarity, you're living in a bubble, and the reason why it is happening is because you're not ready to step out of your comfort zone. Maybe situationally it's a small thing, but you're blowing it out of proportion. This is why it is trying to say face your fears. Otherwise, financially you guys will be happy. Emotionally, you need to face it. Now let's ask your angels, what's the guidance coming up for you for this month? Angels and spirit guides, guidance. Too many. Can I just have one, please? Assertiveness. It is like a yes. Will I have abundance embracing me? Yes. Will I have finance flow coming? Yes. Will I be happy? Yes. Do I need help? Yes. Okay. Again, we have the flute. So again, we have the flute over here. So flute therapy, like listen to flute music, it will calm down your senses, it will make you feel good. If at any given point you feel like crying, cry your heart out, you will feel good. Okay, and stay in a positive state of mind. Go out is what it's trying to say. Now at the matters of heart, okay, because we need to figure out what are your love energies trying to tell you. And we have not enough and the snake. See, somebody is not trying to show their true colors. There could be competition, there could be some third party, okay, or there could be maliciousness coming in. There could be lack of issues, ego issues, jealousy, lack of confidence, self-sabotaging, not happy in a relationship. So maybe that is what emotions are trying to say. The darlings, when it comes to love, you're living in a bubble. Don't live in that. The reality will come out. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Angels and spirit guides. Anything specific? Okay, so we have one that is flipped and it says distant horizon. The anchor is trying to say that you have a strong base. Okay, so now is the right time if you want to do something. Look at the brighter picture, keep going ahead, but don't forget from where you have started. This is what the distant horizon is trying to say. Something good is coming up. You can work towards it, but go for it. So how should I sum up this month? Face your fears. It's probably reality check is going to hit in for you in this month. It's going to be a little difficult, I wouldn't lie, but the reason why it's becoming difficult is because you are not ready to face it. The minute you allow, accept and release, the minute you surrender to the divine, everything will keep coming in your favor. It's just a passing phase you need to understand, because things, universe, it's trying to test you. Take baby steps, gain clarity, get up and go for it. Okay, learn to put your foot down, stick to the reality. Again, I'm repeating, stick to the reality. Your angels are saying be positive, be hopeful, ask for help. Music therapy should help you. Are the matters of fact? No second chances. Avoid ego clashes, avoid jealousy, avoid controlling, avoid getting into a third party for that matter, especially if you're my feminine energies or if you're my masculine, avoid getting involving a third person. When it comes on the overall picture, something beautiful, something successful seems to be coming up to you, but you need to work on your fears. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section, but if you think it hasn't, no worries my love, you don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.